Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is introduction to string in a Java. In a Java, string is basically an object that is represent a sequence of char values. So an array of a character works same as a Java string. Java string is a class provide a lot of method to perform operations on the string, such as a compare method, concat method, equals method, split method, length method, replace, compare to, intern, and a substring method. So these are the methods to use the string. In a java.lang.string class implement a serializable, comparatable, and the char sequence interface. Char sequence, firstly we discuss about the char sequence interface. So the char sequence interface is used to represent a sequence of character string, string buffer, and string builder. Classes implement it. It means we can create a string in Java by using the three classes. String, first one is a string, buffer, and the string builder. In Java, string is a immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Uh, Whenever we can change any string, a new instance is created. For mutable string, you can use a string buffer and a string builder classes. We will discuss the immutable string later. So the first to understand we string in Java is and how create the string objects. First one is what is a string in a Java. So generally, string is a sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object that represent a sequence of the character. The java.lang.string class is used for create a string object. How to create a string? How to create a string object? First one is two type. First one is by string literals, and second one is by new keywords. First one, string literals is used to create a double quotes. Double quotes. Each time of create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool. First, if the string already exists, the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is a return. The If the string doesn't exist, the pool, new string instance is created for a place to the pool. Um, Next one is a in the Java. Next one is a by new keyword. In a such case, JVM will create a new string object in normal, so non-pool. Heap is a heap memory, and the literals, for example, welcome, we will place it in the string construct pool. The variable yes will refers to the object in heap. In the Java, we can these are the all information about the Java string. Thank you so much.